Hey, this is Rich from housebrands.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses, and we'd like to show you how to do a project yourself so you can save a ton of money. Today we'd like to show you how to unclog a dryer vent. Alright, so perhaps you've noticed that your clothes aren't drying very well. So there's two reasons that you would want to clean your dryer vent. Number one, there's a chance that your dryer isn't being very efficient. Maybe you're pulling the clothes out of the dryer and the clothes are still a little bit damp. It's because you've got a clog. And then secondly, you can actually get a fire from a dryer vent if it builds up over time and there's too much heat. So it's a great idea to go ahead and clean your dryer vent on a periodic basis. Alright, the first thing we need to do is pull the dryer out. Hopefully it's not stacked full of stuff. Alright, now that we pulled the dryer out, behind your dryer you might find a lot of dust bunnies down there. No big deal, just clean those up with some Scott towels. And you're going to have electric hookup like this, so let's just unplug that. And then there's going to be a dryer hose. That goes to the exterior vents, the exhaust from your dryer outside, and this side hooks up to your dryer. So what we want to do is this end here that vents outside, it's probably going to have a clip on it like this, and the way these work, it's like a butterfly clip. So all you do is press these ends together and it'll make that ring larger and you'll be able to pull this hose off. And there we go. And so the clog that we have is right in there. And this actually, I mean, even if you put your hand up to it, this actually vents right outside. All we have to do is get an item that will force the clog outside. This is the item that I use, and I don't honestly know its name, but I'm gonna find a gadget like this on Amazon, and Dave and I have an Amazon affiliate link, so if you use our link and buy the item that's in the description below, we get a small commission. It won't cost you a penny extra. Thanks for doing that. So what you'll do is you'll take this, whatever it is that you end up with, and you want to put this right into the exterior dryer vent and just start pushing. And what's great about this one, it's got a flexible handle because it's a bit curved, and these exterior vents could be of varying lengths, so that's why it's nice to get a long handle. So we're pushing and pushing, and we can feel that there's a clog. But as we push, there's no more resistance, which means the clog is now gone. Ah, and look at that. You can see right through to outside. So we'll go outside now to see what happened. Alright, so here we are on the exterior of this house. And there is the dryer vent, the exterior part of it. Ah, and you can see down here all this debris came out of the dryer vent. And so what happens is it'll just kind of build up in there. This whole area will just get clogged over time. It just happens. So you should go ahead and clean it periodically, every 6 months or a year. Just put it on your annual maintenance. As you can see, that's a lot of buildup that can end up in your dryer vent. Alright, now we need to hook this back up. So once again, these are just a little butterfly clip. It'll just press the two ends of the clip together. That will expand this ring, and then we'll be able to hook that over the exterior dryer vent, and the butterfly ring will hold it in place. pushing this hose all the way to the wall as far as it can go. And then I'm squeezing the butterfly clip. And you want to get it around that housing. We also want to plug the dryer back in. Now we're just going to push the dryer back to where it was when we began the project. Alright, that's all there is to it, and hopefully that helps you unclog your dryer vent. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing because we have a lot of home renovation videos coming out shortly. If you liked the video, give it a like, and thanks very much for viewing.